Hi, I'm Andy. I'm a therapist, a trainer, and someone that's lived through anxiety, trauma, and all kinds of therapy that didn't work until I found the forms of therapy that did. And now I run Peace of Mind, which provides therapy and therapy training here in my training centre in Glasgow. And I help people like you learn how to become the kind of therapist that the world actually needs. So first off, welcome. If you're here, something's probably pulling you towards doing some training. You actually can see yourself doing this work. And if you're curious about becoming a hypnotherapist, but maybe you're still asking yourself, is this really for me? Could I really do this? Well, let's find out. Now, most people think learning hypnotherapy is about learning how to hypnotize someone. It's not. It's much more than that. That part's actually easy. You can grab a script offline, watch a YouTube video and get certified in a weekend. But becoming a great therapist, a great hypnotherapist, that's about getting to the root of what's really going on for someone. It's actually about helping them feel safe enough to go there, to talk about the stuff that they've avoided years, to face the things that they've actually buried deep down. And that's not something you can fake. And that's not something you can learn from a script or over a weekend. It takes depth. It takes understanding. It takes knowing how to listen beyond the words that the client or the person sitting in front of you is saying. And that's what I teach you to do. Now, you need to understand that hypnotherapy is not some form of magic. It's not mind control. It's not voodoo. It's not you making people cluck like a chicken. You're actually helping people break through patterns that have kept them stuck for years. It's a therapeutic approach that works with the person's subconscious mind. So when someone's in that focused, relaxed state, a bit like when you're driving the car on autopilot and you don't really remember the journey, or you're lost in a film, we can help that person shift how they think, feel, and respond. But here's the part that nobody really tells you. It's not just about techniques. It's about who you are and who you are when you use the techniques. Because you can know all the tools and techniques, but if you can't make someone feel safe, seen, and understood, well, do you know what? None of it actually works. So yeah, on my course, you'll learn how to guide a session, how to use hypnotic language, how to handle emotions, how to spot resistance, how to tailor everything for that person sat in front of you. And the course is fully accredited and nationally recognised by the General Hypnotherapy Standards Council and the Complementary and Natural Healthcare Council, the leading professional bodies here in the UK. And that means when you finish your training, you're not just qualified, you're actually recognised and you're ready to start practising safely, ethically, and confidently. So when you've finished your training, you've got options. There's so many things you can do with it. Some people decide to go and work in a wellness centre or a therapy clinic in their local town. Others decide to just start practicing from home or just working online or in a therapy space that they know of. Now, my business, it started from my spare room, but now, take it forwards a few years, number of years, I now run a full-time practice and my training centre, and it's grown into something I never imagined. And it all started with that one step. And if this is something that you're thinking about, but you've still got questions, I get it. I had loads of questions when I started. So in the drop-down menu on the website under hypnotherapy training, there's a page, FAQ, with short videos, where I answer loads of the common questions people have about the training and before they start their training. If this video hasn't answered yours, there's a chance that one of those videos on that page very probably will. Or if you'd rather just jump on a call with me to talk the training through, there is no pressure, no obligation, no hard sells. I am happy to answer anything that you're not sure about. Because if this is the right path for you, you'll just know. And I'd love to help you take that next step whenever you're ready.